The melancholic wife loved to dance. Ever since she had been a melancholic teenager, she had danced to cope with the dark and troubled thoughts that lived in her mind. When she was young, her parents had taken up the carpets in the bedrooms of their house. This looked much better, but it meant that the sound from the rooms above travelled easier to the rooms below. Often when visiting her parents now, she would cringe when she heard her mother move around upstairs. Embarrassment of the past can be a cruel trick of the human psyche. She tried to be kind to herself when she thought about the teenager she had been. But some tasks are so large that the effort required to complete them is too overwhelming to comprehend, never mind to endeavour upon. Now, she likes it best when she has the house to herself and she can make as much noise as she likes. She rebuffs the world with the tools she has available to her. She's grateful for the soft carpet under her bare feet. In her movements, she unmakes and remakes the shape of her life, building with her mind and body a new world to inhabit and thrive in. She disappears into this world of movement and melody until she is sated. She can then re-emerge back into the unromantic walls of her real life, striving to hold on to the nuances of her transmutations.